In this video, we listed the 5 best treadmills for walking that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Rhythm Fun Walking Pad. The Rhythm Fun Treadmill is a sleek and compact option designed for home and office use, featuring a wide 18-inch running belt that ensures safety and comfort for users up to 220 pounds. It boasts a slim profile at just 2.3 inch thick and 78 pounds in weight, making it easy to store and move with built-in wheels. Powered by a robust 2.5 horsepower motor, it incorporates shock absorption and noise reduction technology for quiet operation. Users can control the treadmill via a remote or a smart workout app, which allows adjustments to speed, time, mileage, and calories burned. This treadmill requires no assembly, providing a hassle-free setup straight out of the box. Ideal for adults seeking a convenient and effective fitness solution at home or in the office, it combines portability with powerful performance. Number 2. EXERPEUTIC TF2000 Treadmill. The EXERPEUTIC TF2000 Recovery Fitness Walking Treadmill is designed specifically for individuals in recovery and seniors for home use. It features a sturdy build with a treadmill belt measuring 50 inches in length and 16 inches in width, capable of supporting up to 300 pounds. The treadmill includes 49-inch full-length handrails with foam padding for safe and easy fitness walking, catering to users who may require additional support. It offers a gradual speed range from 0.2 miles per hour to 5 miles per hour in precise increments, ideal for controlled rehabilitation exercises. The treadmill is equipped with 10 shock-absorbing deck cushions that provide significant joint impact reduction, enhancing comfort during workouts. Its backlit LCD display offers clear visibility of essential metrics such as elapsed time, distance, calories burned, speed, and pulse rate. The machine also features 2 accessory holders and boasts a low 5-inch deck height for easy accessibility. Built from aluminum and highlighted by its beige color. Number 3. SereneLife Folding Treadmill. The SereneLife Smart Folding Treadmill is a compact and versatile piece of home gym equipment designed for walking, jogging, and running. Made from aluminum and weighing 66.5 pounds, it features dimensions of 50.79 inches in length, 24.02 inches in width, and 49.22 inches in height. With a maximum speed of 6 miles per hour and 1 horsepower, it supports users up to 220 pounds. Special features include a manual incline with 3 levels, and it's equipped with an LCD display for tracking run time, distance, speed, calories burned, and heart rate through hand grip sensors. This treadmill offers connectivity via the FitShow app through Bluetooth, allowing users to monitor training data, challenge friends, and share fitness progress on social media. It folds easily for storage, includes safety features like an emergency power-off function, and provides additional amenities such as a book or magazine tray and a cup holder. Targeted at a unisex audience, it's ideal for those seeking a space-saving, connected fitness solution at home. Number 4. OVICX Q2S Portable Treadmill. The OVICX new fitness treadmill is designed for indoor use, targeting adults seeking a convenient and effective fitness solution. Made of stainless steel, it boasts a compact and foldable design with dimensions of 64.96 inches in length, 25.59 inches in width, and 44.88 inches in height, weighing 94.8 pounds. The treadmill offers a maximum speed of 9 miles per hour and features an ultra-wide 17-inch by 50-inch belt for comfortable running. Noteworthy features include intelligent speed reduction technology for fatigue management, silkworm, shock absorption technology to protect knees, and Bluetooth app connectivity for data tracking and sharing. Its portability is enhanced by built-in transport wheels, facilitating easy storage without the need for installation. Number 5. XTERRA Fitness Smart Treadmill. The XTERRA treadmill is a new, black-colored fitness product designed primarily for residential use, targeting adult users. Made from alloy steel, it features a large 16 inches by 50 inches walking, running surface suitable for various sizes and stride lengths. Weighing 97 pounds and measuring 63.4 inch in depth, 28.75 in width, and 51.4 in height, it offers a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. Its foldable design enhances convenience for storage, and it operates on a 110V power source. The treadmill includes an intuitive 5-inch LCD display for easy monitoring of speed, incline, time, distance, calories, and pulse. With 12 preset programs and 3 manual incline settings, it provides diverse workout options to cater to different fitness levels and goals.